You do have a very nice shot. Hey happy campers, it is Savannah with Cookeville RV and Marine, and today we're going to be taking an inside and outside look at this 2024 Keystone Cougar 22MLS. But before we get started, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click that bell notification so you're notified whenever we post a video. Now, let's get started. In your outdoor entertainment space, you do have a very large awning that does cover that door. That is a nice little addition because it's going to keep you nice and shaded from that sun or from the weather. We also do have an LED strip that goes all the way across that awning to keep things nice and lit up out here. And you also have indoor-outdoor speaker system, so you can have a party both inside and outside. Now, let's move on to the storage. In the front of your Cougar, you have your pass-through storage space. This is a very large space down here, and they've given you a floor to make it very easy to clean out. You also do have an LED strip down here, so if it's nighttime, you're going to be able to see very clearly. Over on this side, you do have your solar disconnect, and on the outside, you do have your tankless water heater and your docking station, which has all the hookups you're going to need while you're at the campground. Now, let's move on inside. When you first walk into your Cougar, over on your left-hand side is your in-command touchscreen control panel. This is where you're going to be able to access all the settings for your lights, your sides, and your awning. And also over here, we do have a little cubby down here. This is perfect to just kick your shoes off when you first walk in and have a nice place to store them away. Now, let's check out where you're going to be sleeping at. Right beside your entryway is your bedroom area. In here, we do have a nice king-size bed. And one thing to note, this bed is super comfy. I'm sitting right here and I love it. We also do have some nice heavy-duty curtains in here. So if you do want a little bit of privacy, if some other people are joining you at the campground, you can easily untie these and this closes this off. We also do have a couple windows back here. This one actually is your front cap, so you're going to be able to see those views right in front of you, and you have two on the sides. You also have lots of storage back here. We have overhead storage where you can store some shoes, maybe some bags, and on both sides you also have a hanging bar in there so for your clothes, if you want to hang some things up, or if you want to fold some things up in there, kind of whatever you want. We have some cubby holes on both sides if you want to throw your phone in there, maybe a tablet, and you also have a charging station on both sides. They've given you an electrical outlet and a USB and USB-C port so you can charge all of your things before you go to bed. Now, let's check out the living space. In your living room, you have some theater seats. Again, these are super comfy and you have lots of place to store your items. We do have this little storage thing right here. This is perfect to throw maybe a magazine in, a tablet, or to keep all your remotes in one place. We also do have two cup holders right here, and there is a light setting in here. So on both sides right here, this is where you're going to recline those seats and where you are going to find that light setting for your cup holders at. A lot of people do ask if the theater seats recline, and like I said, they do recline, and these are made specifically for campers, so you don't have to worry about hitting that back window back there because this is exactly the spot that they're made for. Now, check out where you're going to eat dinner at. Across from your theater seats is your dinette. This is the perfect place to eat dinner as a family. You can fit definitely 4 people pretty comfortable in here, and you are going to have some elbow room, so don't worry about that. Or if you have a couple kids tagging along at the campground with you, this table actually does go down and this transforms into a sleeping space. Also over in this area, we do have a window, so you're going to get all those campground views, and you have storage on both sides. This side is open, and over here we do have a little bit of storage on top, and then this is where you're going to control that indoor-outdoor speaker. So if you want to listen to music inside or outside, this is where you're going to control that at. And don't worry about missing the football or basketball game because you have a TV right here to watch all your favorite games at the campground. Now, check out your kitchen. Starting out with our fridge, we do have a Furrion fridge in this Cougar, but that does change from unit to unit, so make sure to check with your salesman. But this fridge is a very nice size. You are definitely going to be able to keep all of your groceries in here, whether you're going for a weekend or a full week. You're going to have plenty of room to store your groceries, and all the rest of your items can be stored over here in your pantry area. This top opens up into a very large space. This would be perfect if you're taking your dog with you to throw a big bag of dog food in there. And then down below that, we do have a little bit more storage in here. You could definitely throw some chips in here, cereal, or even some canned items for the road. Now, let's check out the rest of your kitchen. In your Cougar, you do have a Furrion microwave over here. And below that, we have our typical 3-burner stovetop with that splash guard. Beneath that is our oven, and they've given you a small little drawer down here. This isn't big enough to put any pots or pans in, but I would definitely maybe throw some utensils in here or some plates or platters. And then we also have a couple more drawers to the left of that. Perfect place to put all of your silverware. And my favorite part, we do have a very large countertop space back here. So if you do want to host kind of a bigger dinner, you're going to have lots of room to put that. Or if you want to make this a coffee corner, you do have an electrical outlet back there. So you can throw your Keurig in that corner and then have that nice and set up. We have a little bit more storage up here. This is a pretty big space, so you'll definitely be able to put all your pots and pans in there. And then over to this side, we do have the rest of our kitchen. We have our sink over here with a retractable sink nozzle, and this is divided. So if you want to put dirty dishes in one side and clean on the other, or if you want to put dishes in one side and then throw some vegetables in the other to wash them, you can do that. We also do have a window back here, so while you're at the sink, you're not going to miss out on any of those views. We have some storage overhead, perfect to put more pots and pans or your dishes. And I love that they've given you this nice little accent lighting in here. It's just a cute little upgrade. I really like that. We also, as I said, have tons of countertop space back here, and they've given you 2 large compartments down here. This is perfect to throw your cleaning supplies in, maybe a small trash can. Throw some towels in there, maybe some dish towels, other washcloths, kind of whatever you want. Now, let's check out your bathroom. Your bathroom is right off your kitchen, and you have lots of storage in here. We do have this very large medicine cabinet, giving you lots of places to put all of your toiletries. And over on the left-hand side, you do have another compartment where you can fold up your towels, washcloths, and other items. Down below that, we do have a nice little window right here if you want to take a good look at the campground while you're getting ready in the morning. You have some countertop space right here with an electrical outlet for all of your hairstyling tools. You do have a little bit more storage over here next to your sink, and under your sink, you do have even more storage. This is the perfect area to put all of your toilet paper and other items in, maybe a toilet brush cleaner. And then over on my right hand side, we do have our step to flush toilet, and above that, they've even given you a hanging rack for your towel. Now let's switch the view and check out your shower. You do have a very nice size shower in this Cougar. It's perfect for those taller people, and you do have a skylight in here, so you do have some natural lighting. Over on my left hand side, we have some built-in shelves, perfect for all your soaps and shampoos. You do have a removable shower head, so if you want to wash your hair, or if you're bringing your dog along, you want to scrub them down too, you can do that. And a good thing about this shower, it does have a deeper floor, so the water isn't going to be rolling around anywhere, which is a very nice plus. And if you like this unit or any other unit in our Keystone line, make sure you give us a call or visit us online at cookevilleRV.com, where your adventure awaits.